What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors. We mix pearls, flakes, a little bit of everything and clear over top to create cool, new, interesting colors, and then you guys get to decide, do you love it, do you hate it? You get to rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. Today I've got an awesome experiment for you guys and for myself because I've never done this before, so I've always wanted to. But anyways, what I'm gonna do is I got a solid Colorshift pearl and a solid regular pearl. We're gonna collide them together, mix them together, and see if we can't create something cool or if we just create a muddy mess. I really don't know, but I got my fender prepped up behind me, so here's the game plan. I got semi-gloss Rustoleum black, a good neutral color to put over the fender first. Then we got Zaffre by Eye Candy Pigments, a really cool blue pearl pigment. And we got golden, the pretty much favorite Colorshift pearl on this channel. And I'm gonna mix them both together in my Speedo Coat Clear and shoot them over top and see if we can't create a cool, new, interesting color. And then you guys get to rate it. So without further ado, we're gonna get into spraying some Rustoleum over this fender and then we'll jump into some pearl. Let's get into today's video. So we got our Rustoleum black on the panel behind me. I'm going to be using my Speedo Coat Clear today, 4-to-1 mix. So I did 4 ounces of clear, 1 ounce of the activator. It's medium temp and it's about 75 degrees today. Now, the first pearl going into the mix, and the way we're going to do this is I'm going to put this pearl in the mix first. I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix, and then we're going to add the Colorshift. So I want you guys to see everything in real time so you can see exactly what happens, just in case this turns into mud or something. So first off, I'm going to open this Zaffre up. This is a really, really pretty blue pearl. I don't know if you saw my hood spray out video where I did this against 3 other different pigment brands, and you guys unanimously love the blue. So what I'm going to do today is we'll do half a teaspoon of this Zaffre. I'm going to put that in the mix, and then I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so this is Zaffre Blue by Eye Candy, a really, really pretty blue pearl. So we got that in the mix. Let's get the mixing real quick. And we'll see what that looks like. Obviously that's going to be very, very pretty, a very cool medium blue. And it's going to look even darker and cooler over top of this panel. But we're about to mix it up and go even crazier with it. And that is adding a Colorshift pearl. So this is golden Colorshift, a very popular Colorshift pearl that I've used many times on the channel to create a really cool effect. That's what it looks like in the bottle. And yeah, let me get a spoon real quick and we're going to put some of this in the mix. Alright, so let me see if I can get, right there is about half a teaspoon. I'm going to try and get about the same amount that I would over the Zaffre. So we're going to do a 50-50 split and I'm going to put that in the mix. And look at that, that is a pretty Colorshift. So let me set this down. And here it is in the mix, and let's get the mix in and see what happens. Now, right away, I'm seeing it change. Woo! Look at that, guys. Wow. It has already changed to like a blue-green. Man, this is going to be interesting. Well, there's only one thing to do, guys. Let's load up the old Vevor gun, and let's get spraying this out. Alright guys, so I got this crazy Zaffre Blue Colorshift mix in my Vevor gun. 1.4 tip, I shoot at 28 psi, wide open trigger if you want to replicate my settings. We're going to do a light coat on this panel first to make sure we don't have any reactions. And then 1 or 2 follow-up coats, or just however, you know, until we get full coverage and it looks good. Or doesn't look good, I really don't know with this Colorshift. And then we're going to take it outside in the sun and see the end result. So I'm going to put my mask on and let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so this is what happens when Zaffre by Eye Candy and Golden Colorshift by Let's Resin make a baby. Man, this is crazy. Look at that. The gold and the blue all mixed together. I mean, it's just, that's a crazy effect. Another one of those bass boats, and you either love it or you hate it. But hey, it's definitely going to catch your eye. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so here you have it. Zaffre Blue Pearl by Eye Candy Pigments and Golden Colorshift Pearl by Let's Resin mixed together to create this, a brand new custom color that you're either going to love or hate it. I'm not going to tell you my opinion because that's part of the fun on this channel, but this is a very, very, very cool and interesting spray out. I'll just say that. But you guys get to rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and you guys rate it anywhere in between. If you made it this far in the episode, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Drop me a like and comment. Share this video with your friends, and I'll really, really appreciate it. If you want to buy Zaffre Blue Pearl, Golden Colorshift Pearl, if you want to do this spray out or any other spray out, if you want to use the clear, the guns, anything I use on the channel, guys, links will be in the description. If nothing else, you can click As Seen on YouTube, takes you to my Amazon store, and you can purchase stuff there. We get a small kickback. It costs you guys nothing extra, and you get all the benefits of Prime and everything else that Amazon has to offer. I really enjoyed doing the spray out with you guys today. I had a lot of fun, and I hope you'll join me for the next episode. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I hope you have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.